So now we're going to be shooting free throws, and the one key element of shooting free throws is you want to make sure that you find a routine that gets you in your rhythm. So everyone has a different routine. If you watch any basketball game, every basketball player does it the same. You will see what my routine is, see if you can pick up on what that is. Just find out what it is, you'll discover it, see what feels good for you, and go from there. So whether you're playing a game, like you're shooting free throws in a game, or you're just practicing by yourself, you want to make sure to do the same routine. So my routine that I discovered since I was 7 was going like this, rolling the ball so it gets me in my rhythm, putting my foot right here, it's a right-handed shooter that I'm perfectly aligned with my shooting form, getting in my stance that's comfortable, just about shoulders width, rolling it, and then I like 4 dribbles. 1, 2, 4, I kind of bounce, I take one breath, sets me in my shooting form,